In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. All you need to do is open an app called Files, and if you never used it before, select Continue. Then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle after selecting Got it in the pop-up. And last but not least, select the Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!